Hi, I'm Dominique, and I am one of Mr. Harmon's former students, and this is something my brother tried to make at home on my computer, and he kind of made some person, I don't know what, but yeah.
Hey mates, I'm Super User Josh, and I completed Mr. Harmon's video and made this dragster. A dragster fit for the rich and the famous. You too should find his channel at YouTube HLModTech and make your own awesome dragster. Thanks for watching.
My name is Ophelia, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class. And this weekend on Tinkercad at my house, I made a cool little bunny. So I used spheres for the eyes and the body and its little cottontail, and used two half spheres for the nose. For the ears, I went to characters and selected the ears. So yeah, it's a cool little bunny.
My name is Hannah, and I'm Mr. Harmon's 4th-hour class, and I made a car like inspired by Chica the Chicken from Five Nights at Freddy, and I added her little cupcake that she holds on the front, because like some cars have that thing on the front. The wheels are yellow, kind of like the car, and like the inside wheel part is like pink, like the cupcake. I really like it, and I think I'll be making more of these Chica-inspired things or Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hey dudes, two things. I made a longboard and got it printed. It does not roll, but that's cool. I made a Tata keychain. He's from BTS. I thought it was cute. She made a bigger Tata. This is Vindas. Hey guys, it's Holden, and today, for the last couple of days, I've been making the Krusty Krabs. This was not easy. I had to figure out how to make these right here, but it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. And bye.
Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie, and I am back, and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool car. Let's go. So I followed a video from Mr. Harmon's HLModTech on YouTube. Modtech, and the name is The Terrific Tinkercad Disaster. Freaky, fast, totally fun. So go subscribe to HLModTech on YouTube. I already am, and give it a like. Little driver with a hat, a steering wheel, some ice cream, bumblebee sign, and my initial, and then it has a heart seat, and I think it's really cool. It's Giselle here, and welcome back to another video. Today I made this awesome little chair with a vase and a stool there, and there's just a little tiny decoration here, and then back here is a bookcase, and then here I made this little jewelry box. You can put some things in there. It's just a really cool little idea. You just take some shapes, duplicate them, and then turn them into holes, and then just move them around a little bit. I dare you to try some of this. It's really fun. See you guys next time.
Hi everyone, my name is Mackenzie, and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and today I'm going to be showing you 3D prints of my little heart flower. Let's go.
If you guys remember, I showed you this flower like lollipop, and I told you guys that I would show you what it looked like when it was printed. And Mr. Harmon printed for me, and it's white. Ready? And here it is, and it looks really cool because like it has all the hearts, and you can paint it whatever color you want. And if you even wanted, you could like put hearts or a design on the back, and it would be really cool. And it has like the stick and everything.
Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie and I am back. I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour, and today I'm going to be showing you a lesson that we had to do.
This is our lesson that we had to do, and the video that we got for it was fun. It is called Make a Splash with a Sweet Tinkercad Pool. Make sure to go. So I made a little kiddie pool with some floaties for Mr. Harmon and a bench for him to sit down. And then I made this huge pool with a slide and a ladder and heart floaties because I add hearts to everything. That is basically everything that I made, and I think it is really cool and wanted to show you guys.
So today, or the past few days, I've been making this mini print in place spinner.
It was close.
So for the top, I made a circle. It's easier for it to be towed. So the inside of this is pretty much just like the regular.
I created Tata from BT21 as a keychain. He's really small, but like, okay. She also made a Tata. He's adorable. He's like really big. Okay, it's like the size of the juice. Yeah, and then mine's just that. Shake.
Oh, hello. It's Mackenzie and I am back, and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour. Today I'm going to be showing you this cool house that I made with a bed inside and a lot. Alright, let's go.
Welcome to my house that I made. So I grabbed one of those cool houses that you can like edit, and then I used hearts for the lawn. And then I even made a welcome mat, and then heart lights on the side of the door. It says welcome, so let's welcome ourselves into the house. So if you guys go inside, you will see that I made a bed with 2 pillows that are white, and then one that is pink with a little heart on it, and the blankets are purple, which is my favorite color. And that's basically the whole house, and I think it's just really cool, and I wanted to show you guys. Alright, hope you guys have a great day, an awesome day. Alright, bye!
So when I was doing all this, I kind of got bored. So in my forward, I just did a left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, and then when the forward is clicked, so it would go all those directions. But when I did my down arrow, so you know how cars, when they back up, they beep red, and then they actually beep? Well, my Finch can do that. That's my back arrow.
Hey guys, it's Ella, and I'm here with another Tinkercad video. So today in my class, I made this awesome narwhal, and when I look at it, it reminds me of the narwhal from Elf that says, "Bye buddy, hope you find your dad." And I just really like it. It's super cute. I used the scribble for the tail, and then for one of the tail sides, and then I duplicated it to make it like that, and then I also used the scribble for the fin. And I took 2 spheres and stretched them out to make his body, and a cone to make his horn, and his little spheres to make his eyes. And then I colored it, grouped it, and multicolored it to make it look like this awesome narwhal. Bye!
My name is Daniel Lester, and today I called lessons in the classroom to make a dragster. So let's get on. Okay, so here's my car. Sorry for that weird intro, but here is the dragster. It is really big. But I made like a little guy right here. And then there's the wheel right there, so yeah.
My name's Hannah, and I'm Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. and I made a ghast from Minecraft. It's kind of like winking because I wanted to show that its eyes were red. And there's a Minecraft plush thing right there where both its eyes are closed, and I was trying to go for that look, but I ended up going for that and that kind of mixed together. Hi guys, my name's Hannah and I'm Mr. Herman's 4th hour class, and I made a creeper. And it's all made of squares, because that's what Minecraft is. Everything's made of squares. So, yeah.
Did the lesson in Google Classroom, and all I have to do to make the Finch move is press that forward. And if I wanted to keep going, you can either do the forever code, or you can just keep pressing it. Don't.
Stop on command. Let's stop.
Hi, my name is Abby and I was in Mr. Herman's 4th hour class, and I made this flower that looks like a daisy.
Hi guys, Giselle here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this awesome YouTube play button that I made a little while ago, and on the back it says, "What will you make today?" I hope to get this printed, and it looks pretty cool, and I made this design on my own. I didn't use any kind of photo or anything, so it's my design with some amazing text on the back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys.
Mariana from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and today, using his video for Dragsters and Tinkercad, I made this. I put my name on it, and in the back I have flames for it, and I have a steering wheel right here, which I can't turn because this is a screenshot, but yeah, bye.
I was one of Mr. Harmon's former students, and I made this unicorn without any movies, and kind of like the same as the narwhal. Yeah. It's Dominique, and I made Mr. Harmon printed my unicorn in 3 different colors. We have blue, purple, and pink.
Hey, bet you $100 Mom would say no. Good girl, way to come back. See, kids do listen.